Hello and welcome to another video of mine. And today I am back in the forest. It is bluebell season and I'm here at 6 o'clock, about an hour and a half before the sun sets, and just looking for a lovely composition with the bluebells in the foreground and the sunset in the background. So let's see if we can get that today. In today's video, we will focus on planning. Now, I organized the shoot about a week before heading out to capture the last of the bluebells, hoping to catch some sunlight filtering through the trees as the sun sets. So I've found this spot over here, which I quite like. It's got the sun coming through there, and you've got this tree over here, which is quite interesting looking. And then in the foreground, you've got these leading lines created by this fallen branch. And then in the foreground, you've got this tree nicely illuminated by the, or backlit by the sunset. So I'm going to try do that and see what we can come up with. After waiting what felt like a very long time for a glimpse of the sun, something quite rare here in the UK, my weather app finally indicated clear skies with no rain expected. So I set off to the woodlands to photograph the sunset through the trees, with the bluebells backlit in the foreground. Of course the sun goes away as I'm about to take a photo. That was okay as a test shot, but I want to get more of this tree in the foreground. So I'm going to move back a bit. Alright, 10-second exposure. Relatively happy with that. I am going to swap it over now to focus bracketing. I do want to get everything in focus here. Right, so I'm happy with that shot. And I am going to get in nice and close now, nice and low. Let's see what I can do. Fortunately, I managed to capture a few shots before the clouds began rolling in and the weather took an unexpected turn for the worse, contrary to the forecast I had checked earlier that day. And as thunder and lightning loomed in the distance, it was time to pack up. My plans to head out and capture the images I envisioned were abruptly cut short by the unexpected weather. This experience highlights that no matter how much planning and effort you put into landscape photography, things don't always turn out as you hope. Sometimes it's for the better, and sometimes it's for the worse. I've resorted to getting my heavier tripod out, and I'm gonna swap to the 135mm now and get some panoramics. It's a bit of a moody light, but yeah, what can you do? Still hear thunder. It hasn't started raining yet, but we'll see soon enough. Right, well, it started to rain as I thought, so I am packing up. Light's gone completely, and as you can see, it's quite dark, so yeah, that's that. Not every shoot works out the way you want it to. Oh well. For more tips on landscape photography and composition, be sure to download my free ebook. I've put the link in the description below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, as it helps my channel tremendously. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.